What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. And today our Bitcoin dominance is starting to drop. We do have 3 red candles right now. If Bitcoin dominance drop, it's altcoin season guys. So anyway, today I'll give you 8 cheap altcoins that has 5x potential. So stick around. My first pick is iotx. We do have a cap and handle here and we do have a flag formation here. It already broke on the flag formation and it's forming another flag formation here. And our target would be the top of the flagpole, which is 14 cents. And of course, we have lots of room to go up. After we break on this resistance here, probably infinite guys. I don't know guys. We are so early. We are just so early guys. And this is the daily chart guys. And next pick is hot. Currently, we do have this bullish flag here and another bullish flag here forming. So my count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our initial target would be top of the flagpole, which is 0.03. So how many X is that, guys? From 90009. This is just initial target guys. We are so early, we still have lots of room to go up guys. So potential, let's say 5x guys, 5x or 10x, you'll never know. Okay, vchain, we have the discount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have now the ABC correction and we are here now, and right now we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just a presumption. And on the 4-hour chart, we do have this ABC correction. And we do have now this wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, and probably wave 4, and another wave to the upside. So guys, we still have lots of room. And guys, this could be your wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We have lots of rooms to go up, guys. We don't know yet. So guys, again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my opinion, the possibilities. For other count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our initial target would be the all-time high, which is somewhere at 30 cents. But guys, we still have lots of rooms to go to the upside. You'll never know. We're just too early, guys. Altcoin season. Still, we do have discount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have the ABC correction. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just a presumption. Right now, we are on this bullish flag and we are looking for 3 more waves to the upside. But our safest target for now is the top of the flagpole, which is 11 cents. But guys, again, we still have lots of rooms to go up, guys. Lots of rooms, guys. Lots of rooms. We never know. Siacoin, we do have discount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had already the ABC correction. And now we're looking for 5 waves to the upside. And right now we do have a bullish flag here. And we are looking for 3 more waves to the upside. Again, guys, possibly initial target would be the all-time high, which is 60 cents. That would be our initial target. Guys, if we zoom out, it's a bullish flag, so we still have lots of room to go up, guys. This might also form a cap and handle, guys, and we go to the moon. We are so early, guys. SLP, smoothlovepotion. It already broke on this descending channel and it's also creating another descending channel. But guys, the price it's currently here at the support, guys. Lowest price of smoothlovepotion. This is smoothlovepotion is under Axie Infinity, and this is a game token. So guys, this is the Axie Infinity website. Check this out, guys. If you play Axie Infinity, you will earn SLP, smoothlovepotion. And currently, guys, back in the Philippines, people are playing Axie Infinity as a full-time job. Other countries like India and other third world countries, this is what they do. They play and earn. So guys, if you are a gamer, you can check this out. And I actually met one guy plays Axie Infinity from the Philippines. He already moved here in Canada, and he told me he's playing Axie Infinity and he's earning smoothlovepotion. Just check it out. If the price goes up, then that would be great. And AMP, we do have this Head and Shoulders, and I'm expecting the price to go down here at 3 cents. So this would be our this would be a great buying opportunity. Currently on the descending channel, and our target would be if the price goes down here at 3 cents and And our initial target would be 9 cents, that times 3, guys. But you never know, guys. There's lots of potential, guys, to go up. You never know. 5x, 10x, and Shiba, one of my favorite coin. We do have this bullish pennant, A, B, C, D, E. We have already this E, and I'm expecting the price will go up, guys. Since here, I've been buying Shiba on these levels, guys, and now boom, just like magic, guys. If you can follow my trades here on TradingView, just check the link below. And this is a bonus for Dogecoin lovers. We really have this 1, 2, 3. We're looking for 3 more waves to the upside, and we do have now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 more waves for this lower degree. Guys, Dogecoin, they're expecting $1, guys. Never know. If you enter now, that's times 4, guys. 4x, 400% gain. If you're following my trades here on TradingView, I entered Dogecoin since 7 cents or 5 cents, guys. That's why I love meme coins. Yeah, meme coins. People don't like meme coins or whatever, dog coins, it's shit coins, whatever. But as long as it puts money in your bank account, that would be fantastic. But guys, everything will depend on the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops, most altcoins will drop. So right now, guys, we do have this red candles now. But as I mentioned before, I'm expecting we do have this count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had already our ABC correction, and we are looking now 5 waves to the upside, but we need to have a healthy correction. So yeah, right now, guys, I'm expecting this wave 2 probably on this 0.618 or on the 50, maybe 50, because if this one is on the higher degree, if this one is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 should be somewhere here at 50. So let's see, guys. So guys, this is just a presumption. Right now, people are expecting Bitcoin on 100k, 200k. So let's see, guys. But right now, we are expecting a correction, guys, to finish this wave 2. Everything must come down, guys. Just expect this drop, guys, somewhere at $53,000 for Bitcoin. And guys, I showed you a while ago the chart of Bitcoin dominance is starting to drop, and that would be a good sign for altcoins. Okay, guys, this is all I got. If you find this video valuable, smash that like, share to your friends, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss my daily updates. And if you do have cryptocurrency you want me to add on my video, just comment down below. So trade safe. I love you. Bye bye.